Hello artsies, this is Mrs. B. Welcome to Umaarteng Penmanship. For today's video, I will be making my palette. Okay, these paints are Winsor Newton Professional palettes, and I bought this recently last February, but it arrived to me this May. I bought this in Michael's. If you haven't seen my Michael's haul video, you can check it out. What other items that I bought for 20% off with a friend. This mixing palette, I bought this in Merriam-Webster bookstore here near me. This is only for 90 pesos or less than $2. I'm thinking that I will get a new palette so that I could try different watercolors. I might also add some of the watercolors that are in tubes also that I have here with me. I have a Daniel Smith and I have a Shinhan PWC. Okay, so today I will just be putting on what colors that I have here. Of course, it is best if you're going to buy new palettes or new watercolors, or if you are new to watercolors, I suggest get first the primary colors. So I have here Winsor Blue, Winsor Red, and I have yellow here, Cadmium Lemon. So these are the primary colors because you can paint even with primary colors only. I just added another shade of red, which is Alizarin Crimson. I added some permanent mauve. I have also permanent sap green coming up very soon. I also added neutral tint. Okay, I have also some colors neutral like sepia from Shinhan PWC. I'm thinking to add it here, but if you are new to watercolors, I suggest to get these colors first. Okay, so I will be setting up like this. So I will be putting my warm colors here and cool colors here. I will do some yellow here, reds here. If I have some orange or something like that, or browns, maybe I can put it here, or maybe here just for the neutrals. For the violets, I will put it here, blues and greens. So for just now, I will be just arrange it this way. So I will squeeze some. Okay, so these are professional watercolors because I like professional tubes or professional colors instead of buying some not very good watercolor, because of course I will be spending money for that. If you're going to use the watercolors for art projects, especially for clients and for displays, it's best to invest for good quality colors. I selected Winsor Newton because I know that this is one of the best colors and best brands, as we know. Alright, and these are the classic paints. Okay, so if you are going to squeeze some of the colors, just remember not to squeeze it right away. It should be up, alright, because or you can put directly because it might explode. So there, this is Winsor Red. This is in blue shade. Okay, my yellow hair looks like book. Sorry. Okay, so this is Alizarin Crimson. I like crimson color, especially for flowers. I like that. And then here in this side, I will have my blue. If I will get some green, well, I have sap green coming very soon. I just ordered with a friend. Alright. And some watercolor paper in sheets. Okay, there. So this is Winsor Blue. And I have here also permanent mauve. Okay, as I said, you can be careful and you can put directly there right away. Again, professional tubes are best than spending something that is like student grade. So I chose my colors very well. I also have neutral tint, which is Winsor Newton. Okay, because sometimes I like painting in gray or monochrome. So there. Okay, so I set it up, and I will just let this dry for 24 hours before I use this. It is best if you are using tubes, you transfer it to mixing palette like this, because it can save you money and it will last for a long time. Just a little squeeze like that, a 5 ml tube will last you for a long time, even if it's a little bit expensive than this great, but it will give you, if it gives you a good quality, especially for painting, for displays, if you're going to sell your paintings or artworks, it is good to invest for good quality paints. And Winsor Newton is one of the classic brands and one of the best brands that is very popular. So I'll just let it sit for 24 hours, let it dry, and then I can use it tomorrow. For more watercolor tutorials, calligraphy tutorials, art materials review, and journaling, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Till next time!